How many times have you ended a conversation or left a meeting and thought, "My idea was better. Why didn't it get picked?" Imagine what could happen if you were the most persuasive person in the room. When you're not, it's usually one or more of these reasons. You have judgments about being persuasive and shoot yourself in the foot. You were looking for the magical action or phrase to move someone from no to yes. You didn't use the right tools to create a connection with the decision makers. There are lots of good resources out there on how to be more persuasive. Who has the time to read them all? That's why I put all of the research, ideas, and stories from my executive communication coaching, workshops, and retreats in one place. In Getting Others to Do What You Want, you'll discover the 4 gets, the 4 steps leaders forget because we're under stress. 1. Get your brain back. 2. Get clear on your goals. 3. Get persuasive. And 4. Get communicating. Although it's not a huge book, who has time for that? I don't suggest reading it from cover to cover. Do this. Begin with a chapter called It All Started with Fred. This is about how I survived my toughest day at work when a 14-year-old boy threatened to kill me with a machete. Then look at the table of contents and see what interests you. Maybe it's a chapter on how to get your brain back when you've lost your mind. Don't even read that. Instead, go to the end of the chapter and look at the 1-page summary of key points. If that interests you, then read the chapter. If it doesn't, then find another chapter that does. After you've read that one, do the exercises at the end. Here's the truth. We all promise ourselves we're going to try something new, but we are full of crap. It's just too easy to keep doing what we've always done. But doing these exercises will help you see the stuff and use the stuff that you just learned. My goal is to give you the neuroscience, interesting stories, and inspiration you need to become the most persuasive person in the room in an easy-to-read, practical, and fun book. Then go out and get more of what you want.